Welcome to Theatre House Coventry, where modern elegance meets top-notch student living in the heart of the city. Explore a fine selection of contemporary and stylish studios, each meticulously designed for your comfort. Enjoy a plush bed, a dedicated study space, a walk-in shower, and a modern kitchenette for added convenience. That's not all. Unwind with friends in the vibrant common room, take advantage of the communal laundry room, and stay connected with ultra-fast Wi-Fi. Feel secure with constant CCTV surveillance and a convenient car parking facility. With all utilities included, managing your budget has never been easier. Perfectly located near City College Coventry and Coventry University, your daily scholarly commute is straightforward. Treat yourself to diverse dining options at nearby venues like Turtle Bay Coventry or Cozy Club, and grab your coffee at popular spots such as Cafe Italia or Playwrights Cafe, Coventry Canal Basin. With excellent public transport options, getting around Coventry is a breeze. Don't wait. Visit amberstudent.com today to find your ideal living space at Theatre House Coventry. Your exceptional student experience starts here.